You suck at cooking, yeah, you totally suck.
Today we're going to make a strawberry daiquiri, also known as blended rum smoothie, also known as bloody sugarcane juice, also known as an adult Slurpee, also known as sweet inebriation sauce, also known as drunken berry brain freeze surprise. We're going to make this daiquiri with frozen strawberries. Freezing is the original preservative, and it keeps the berries fresh by slowing down time. And the great thing about frozen berries is that they have the ice built into them already. Frozen berries have the same nutrients that fresh berries do at their peak of ripeness, because they're frozen when they're fully ripe, and the nutrients get glacially locked. We're also going to use wild limes, which have the best flavor of all of the limes. You want to find a good lime nest and just grab any of the limes that have a really deep dark green color. Oh, it's the lime bomb! We're all gonna fucking die! Oh my god, I'm fucking dead! Run! Ah! And once you've calmed down from that debacle and learned your lesson about stealing lime babies, we're gonna make some fresh, pressure-distilled rum. If you can't get the fresh stuff, go ahead and buy a bottle of the stuff from the store or from your local pirate. You're gonna need a blender to make this drink unless you have a fistful of knives and unprecedented burst strength. If your blender isn't too powerful, you might want to let these berries thaw a bit before trying to blend them because they are very similar to frozen rocks, which are difficult to blend when cold. We're going to throw 21 ounces or 600 grams of frozen strawberries in there, 8 ounces of rum, and the juice of a full lime. We'll blend that up until it's slush. Then take a sip and realize it needs another half of lime. Blend again, and then you can pour your drunky slosh mixture into a glass. The alcohol in the rum preserves those crucial free radicals as the sloppy berry slush makes its way from the glass to your mouth. Now, for whatever reason, you should have known to keep a couple of those frozen strawberries behind because you're going to need a garnish. The garnish is used so that the daiquiri drinker can easily identify the beverage.
Oh look, it's a strawberry daiquiri, not a roasted red pepper margarita or a blended radish spritz. I think I'll have a sip.
Now when you're done your Daq, resist the temptation to stack, or they might end up splashing splatter with the glass all cracked. Just open your face flap and trap it in your digestive tract. Then make a whole vat, slap a few more back, then throw another batch down the hatch, until the itch has been scratched and all the Daqs have been thoroughly dispatched.
Oh no, what have you done? You tried to steal the lime babies, now you better run. Too late to realize what you did was wrong, because nobody fucks with the lime mom. The lime mom's pissed and she's coming fast. You better drop her babies and step on the gas. It's your last chance to get away. You better run full blast or it's over, babe. Yeah. Run, 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 run from the lime mom.